Hello family and welcome to my channel. Well, let's be real, being a wife, a chef, a boss lady in London isn't always cute and cozy. It's busy, hectic, and sometimes downright hilarious. But one thing I've learned, meal prepping saves my entire life. Let me show you how I do it the Cookilicious way. First, the juice station. Pineapple plus coconut plus ginger equal to that tropical magic in a glass. Not only is it refreshing, but it is great for your gut, immune system, and honestly your mood. The secret, I put in this bulk and freeze portions. It saves me a lot from grabbing sugary drinks when exhausted later in the day. I also make beetroot, which is good for lowering blood pressure, which is hubby's favorite. Next is my chin chin time. Yes, it's crunchy, golden, addictive snack. We'll say we'll just eat a handful and then we'll finish the entire container. But here is the trick. I make a big batch on Saturdays and store in airtight container, which lasts at least 2 to 3 weeks. No midweek sugar cravings, no guts, no guilt, no running to the shops in a bonnet. Now for the MVP peppered meat. Spicy, tender, smoky, full of comfort bomb. I always keep a starch in the fridge because it goes with anything, rice, yam, bread, or just on its own. And hubby loves this so much. A good tip on how to make your peppered meat is add a dash of dried chili, flavorful blend of chili pepper to boost that flavor without drowning it in oil. For me, meal prepping isn't just about food, it's freedom. Freedom from stress, last minute cooking panic, and what I will eat now. As a wife, a student, a chef in London, my week can flip in seconds, but my fridge, it is stock. Which one would you try first? The juice, the chin chin, or the peppered meat? Tell me in the comment section and tag that one friend who always forgets to eat until 8 p.m. Follow me at Cookilicious Kitchen for delicious survival recipe, meal prep hacks, and real look at kitchen life in London. I love to cook and I know you love to watch my videos. So up till now, what are you doing if you have not subscribed? Please help me subscribe. Let's get this video up to 1,000 subscribers or more. Please, let's subscribe to this channel, okay? And because cooking isn't just about food, it's how I nourish my house, my hustle, and myself. Please subscribe to this channel, like and follow me, and see you in my next recipe. Bye.